Okay, it's getting late, so I'm gonna do a lullaby that we learned on Wednesday. This is All the Pretty Little Horses. I'm gonna first do one video with just the chords and the singing, and then I'll do the second video with just the tablature. We talked about tab, and I will put a link to the music so that you can go home and practice it. So we're just gonna strum. This is in A minor, 2 strums per each measure. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.